Good morning, AI Trading Nation. It's Jeff Kaplan here, January 31st, 2024, getting ready to set up for the 9:30 a.m. session. We come in here, set up our parameters, click Enable, Apply, OK. Everything has been activated, which is indicated by the bars over here on the right. Talk a little bit about strategy. I always do 10 contracts, which requires a $5,000 margin. My loss potential drawdown on the trade is $3,000. So this trade, we're looking to profit $500 on a $3,000 risk, which is we go for about a 17% return. That's daily. Keep in mind that this is a lot different than stocks, where you're holding stocks, your normal stock portfolios long term. These trades we're not holding, we're in and out in generally 5 minutes or less. It's an entirely different business model. Just to let you know, down here, the top is the total volume number of contracts that are traded in that 5-minute bar. This is your buy volume. This is your sell volume. And this is if you see a negative red, that's more contracts that are sold than purchased. So generally, when you see negatives, you're seeing red. And when you see green, your positive numbers, you're seeing positive green bars.
Order submitted.
The trade was executed. We went long at 49.28.25. Just push through that. Push through, baby. Push through.
Target filled.
Target is filled. $500 profit has been achieved. That's the power of trading with AI technology. I'm done for the day. I'll have this video posted. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. This is an open community where we share ideas to make everybody's business successful.